Here's how you can set up your cancellation policy on Faces so your clients see it before confirming their booking. Start by clicking your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings. Scroll down to Payment Settings, and under that section, click on Booking Policy. Here you can add your cancellation policy text, for example, your terms, rules, or any important information your clients need to know before booking. Once you've added your policy, make sure to save your changes. Now let's see how this looks from the client side. Here's an example of the practitioner's online booking link. Let's try booking a treatment to see where the policy appears. Select the treatment, choose the date and time for the appointment, and select a team member. On this screen, the checkout screen, the client or customer can clearly see the cancellation policies displayed before confirming their booking. After reviewing the policy, the client can click Confirm to finalize their appointment. That's it. Your cancellation policy is now live for all clients booking online, helping to reduce no-shows.